AFC had sent me a note. That's in Roebuck, AFC Roebuck. It's on Parkway East, Roebuck, Birmingham. They sent me a note saying I also got a referral to an ortho. That's an orthopedic doctor, a bone doctor. At OrthoAlabama Spine Sports off Highway 11, 1801 Gaston Highway near Trussville in Birmingham. Used to be London Village Trailer Park back in the 90s. See, this is like back in the day. Maybe you know what I'm talking about. It's a very large facility, a multi-partner practice. If anyone could diagnose bone breakage, this should be the place. We'd hope so. Especially after you find out how much money they had me pay them. Visit on September 4th. The lobby and reception area was full of people. That's 2019. Their setup channels people into smaller and smaller groups to gather data until they're seen by a doctor. You don't go in, if you're a new patient, you don't go in and get a bunch of blank paperwork and have to fill it out like I did, like 20 or something times, going around all these places. This place, you go to some nurse and she takes your information down verbally. Nurse calls you into a smaller group of people and asks you personal questions within clear, audible earshot of the entire lobby. Privacy is not preserved with this process. A lot of this information should be personal, secret. It's not. They just ask you in front of everybody. Reminds me of farm animals herded into lots or stalls. And they're moving dozens of people through this place every hour. It's a very lucrative operation, just from my observation. $300 per visit. Waiting time 2 hours. Geez. I thought when you made a doctor, I had an appointment too, by the way. I thought when you made a doctor's appointment, you'd go in and that's the time the doctor's going to see you. No, that's not how it works anymore. They give you an appointment, you go in, and then 2 hours later you see an actual doctor. I saw a nurse, and then Dr. Perry L. Savage, Paul's senior. Dr. Perry L. Savage, Senior, MD. Waiting room was plastered with Major League Baseball memorabilia, deer hunting magazines. I brought in the CD with the X-ray, MRI, CTs, and printouts to show him. They have a computer in the waiting room and are willing to view images. Okay, this place, they'll look at your pictures that you bring in from outside. I went through my symptoms. Maybe you know what my symptoms are by now. I showed the CT of skull injury and was told it's normal. I showed him the CT of the clear, broken condylar canal, occipital condyle area underside of my skull. The guy told me it was normal with a straight face. Dr. Savage looked at my images also on the computer. Looked at quite a few of them. Then he rudely asked me, where did I get $300 to visit him? If you're a sick person, I mean, you don't have a job or money, you got an injury that's probably killing you, you get the money where you can. Why does it matter where I got the money? Well, he's got it now, and I didn't get much for him in return. Another guy came in the room, I guess another doctor or something, and slowly looked at CT images as well. I pointed out anomalies that correspond to pain, and I was told it looked normal. I stood over Perry Savage's shoulder, watching him look at the images showing these injuries of an infection, a broken skull, etc. While he told me, it was normal with a straight face. He criticized my images, but he didn't offer to do his own images. He didn't say, you know what, I tell you what, we'll do pictures in-house and then I'll take a look at them. Didn't offer to do that. He sent me on my way. He didn't offer to investigate further, said he was unable to explain my pain. I left this place empty-handed. I got a referral to UAB Neurology, $300 visit, waiting list, 3 months for UAB Neurology. The records I visited for my neck, which encompasses injury area. At this place, the patient is the sport.